How to fix TikTok's traits not working. So these troubleshooting steps that I'm going to be showing you right now are all general. So first things first is open up your TikTok application and then just head directly into your profile. Now in the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see three lines and then head straight to settings and privacy. Go into account and then go into account information. Now just go straight into account region and by simply change the specific region in which this specific feature has. So if this is not going to fix the issue, all you have to do is go all the way back and then just simply tap and hold on your TikTok application in here and then go into the eye icon. And here what you want to do is just need to comply clear all data and clear cache. Now comply both of these options in here and try to rerun the streaks on your TikTok if it is already working. If not, your last resort is just to report this issue to their customer service. Head into your settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and then head straight into report a problem. Scroll down once again and just hit on submit a report. And here you just have to be specific why your TikTok streak is not working. And those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix TikTok streaks not working.